All right, everyone, welcome back. A quick update for Render here. Render looks good. You're making higher highs and higher lows across the board. We are trading in this upwards channel here for Render. So we're currently getting stuck at the 1272 at about 273. We're sitting at 263 at the moment. And if you pull back, you can see that the middle line here acts as support in this channel here. So you also have your 21-day EMA coming in hot here. So there's a good chance that you hold support here in this 240 level, anywhere from about 245 to 250. I would say should hold as support and a nice bounce back up to the upside, and maybe come back up here to the top of the channel at this 1414 at about 309. So you could potentially, what is in play right now, you're potentially going to drop about 6, 7, 8% down to this middle line to your 21. So just keep an eye on that there. And if you do get a bounce from this price area, you're looking to bounce back up to the top of the channel about 30, 31% or so, back up to this $3, 309 area. So that is potentially in play. If you come down here and you lose the 21 in the middle of this channel here from where you are right now, your next line of defense down here is going to be the top of the fib actually at this 215 area, and there's a potential about an 18% drop. You can see we also have our 50-day EMA coming into this price area. So you have support here, and then you have support here. One of these should hold. If you come down here to this 215 level, you may in fact do something like this. Come down here to 215 at your 50, kind of tag the bottom of the channel here, and then start to move back up. So that is a high possibility there. It could even take longer than my little squiggly line here, and you can actually kind of bounce around and then get your middle line hit again, bounce around, and then actually get up here to this 370 level at some point, and that would also be the top of the channel, as you can see here. So let's get rid of this really quick before this update gets a little too long here. So if you do in fact drop that 18% and you do end up coming back down here to this 215 level, and you do get a nice bounce, there's a potential that if you hold the bottom of the channel here, that you're going to come back up to the top of it once again. So if you come down to the bottom, there's a potential to bounce, depending on how long it takes. You're potentially going to move up 70% or so back to the top of the channel if we get down here to the bottom and we do hold it and bounce. So just be aware of that there. There is a lot of support. Like I said, it looks extremely bullish. Right now, the stock RSI is curling down a little bit. MACD is going sideways. So it does look like we're going to get some kind of a pullback either to the middle or to the bottom here. So that's what I would watch for. And we look over at the Heikin-Ashi candles. Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see the green candle could flip red at any moment, which would signal a trend down. And you're probably going to end up coming back either to the middle, like I said, or the bottom of the channel here for a bounce for something kind of like this here. So just be aware of that and just kind of watch all those different prices there. And I would say this, as long as render stays above $2, it's still extremely bullish. You can see you can come all the way down here to $2 currently at your 70-day EMA, and you would still be making a higher low here. So as long as render stays over $2, it's still extremely bullish for to continue to push higher. So the moment you lose $2, you're going to break this trading channel here, and you're actually just going to start falling off the table at that point. So you want to stay above $2 on render, and we'll just kind of leave it at that for now. And with all that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.